Hi guys, welcome to another homemade Luxe box. Today we're going to be showing you how to make these gorgeous little orbs as well as a wreath. And these are all out of embroidery hoops. So if you're unfamiliar with Homemade Luxe is a craft subscription box. We sell one-time and monthly craft kits, and everything you need to make these projects are included in the box. We do home decor crafts, so you can get your Pinterest in a box on. So let's get started. Everything you need is in the box. If you don't have a box, you can just follow along and you can pick these items up at your local craft store. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first step is to paint your embroidery hoops. We've included a walnut stain in your box, but you can paint in whatever color you would like. Then you reassemble the two largest hoops. These are 9-inch hoops. And now you're going to just take your flowers and you are going to disassemble them. Just take out every single part of it, the stems, the flowers, the leaves, everything. Next, you're going to take hot glue and add it to the backs of each component, starting with the leaves, and you're going to just hot glue those onto the embroidery hoop. Just add as many as you would like. I am adding 3 leaves, and then I'm going to move on to stems and then to flowers. Now you use your leaves as a base and add your flowers. And this is all personal preference. You arrange these florals however you would like. Towards the top of your frame, I made sure to make them over the little silver part, just so that is hidden when I hang my wreath. And that's it. It doesn't get any simpler than that. You have a beautiful wreath made from an embroidery hoop, and here it is on my mantle. I just added it to a little candelabra and along with the orbs. And let's get started making the orbs. So again, you have these these are the 6-inch embroidery hoops. I disassembled them and I used the two hoops that do not have the silver clamps on them. And I just put them together like this and then use some hot glue to just keep it stable and let that dry. Now you're going to take one of the hoops that has the silver clamp and you're going to keep it tight. You're going to take that and put it over the top of the 2 hoops that you already had and put it in the middle, just like this. Again, you can secure this with some hot glue as well. Then you're going to take your last one that has a clamp and you're going to open up that clamp so there's lots of room to get it over the rest of your hoops. Then you're going to just put it over all the other 3 hoops and make sure that clamp is centered. And that's it. Again, you can use hot glue to secure or just clamp it really tight to secure it. And there you have it. So we did our 6-inch hoop. Now we're going to do our 4-inch hoops and do the exact same thing. Be very careful with these ones because they're more fragile because they're little. You're going to start with the 2 hoops again that don't have clamps and take your third one that does have a clamp, give it a little bit of room, and just put it over the top. Now with this, you can either add the fourth or you can just leave it as is. I just left mine as is, but I'm gonna try to show you how to add this one. Of course, you'll have to open up that clamp. And because they're so little, it's a little hard to get this little fourth one on. So if you like that look, you can leave the fourth one on, but I took it off and I think it looks just fine with just 3 for this little one. And that's how your orbs look, guys. And the orbs and the hoop are just so beautiful and so easy. I hope you enjoyed this homemade Luxe project. As always, you can grab your craft kit at www.homemadeluxe.com. I'll see you next time, guys.